Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So with this, where can we start with the markets? Yesterday we had indices just coming up slightly from their record highs, but still in bullish momentum. Gold today has seen a little bit more of a bull run in the near term, at least on the intraday chart. We're just waiting now for the big news, which will first of all be the inflation data coming out later on today. And then we've got the Fed's interest rate decision next week. But coincidentally, we've had the RBA, the Reserve Bank of Australia, holding on their interest rate of 4.35%. We've got European Central Bank interest rate decisions as well coming up. We just look on the Orbex calendar on the website as well. Bank of Canada interest rate decision. So a lot of things happening this week, and in the run-up to the Fed's interest rate decision as well next week. We'll just wait and see. Are the Fed going to cut aggressively? Are they going to hold it at 25 basis points, which is pretty much the consensus? Or could we get a surprise and they won't even drop it by anything at all? We'll have to wait and see. But as usual, we'll bring you all the latest in the big news on our Telegram and YouTube channels. But let's get right into the charts first of all. So as I said on gold, we're just seeing now quite significantly, we held a nice support roughly about the 26.15 area. We didn't drop below 2600, which is quite significant for bulls, because if we did go through that particular area, we could see a dramatic sell-off more than the one that we saw a couple of weeks ago at the back end of November, where we did touch the mid 2500 area. But since then, we are now creeping up slightly towards 2670, just trading just below that at the moment. But the important thing is we did get out of this potential sideways channel where we were seeing rejection after rejection, very undecided traders consolidating nicely, and now we've just had a slight break. But will it conclude to a break out to the upside? Obviously the next level we'll be looking at is the last swing high, but the major psychological area of 2700 is where we'll be looking at next, only a few dollars away, and then we'll be looking at the next swing high. So it's very significant and important with the run-up, as I said, to the last big piece of news before the end of the year, and it's the Fed's announcement next week, as well as the figures. Had job numbers on Friday, which were quite good, so we'll see if the Fed is going to really start taking any action. So let's just take a quick look at the DXY index, and not too much change on there. Again, like gold, we were consolidating quite a bit, just failing to break out below significantly the mid 105 area. So that's quite significant for bulls as well. But the dollar hasn't really been moving so dramatically in the last couple of sessions. Last couple of weeks, we did see quite a big bull run on the dollar, but the American dollar, that is. But at the moment, we're just seeing a little bit of a pullback. As I said, it seems to be the calm before the storm, before we get to these particular important announcements from the Fed. And as I said, don't forget, Bank of Canada and European Central Bank also making big announcements this week as well. So let's see where we're going and what's next. Obviously, we'll bring you all the latest in all the technical and fundamental data. So until next time, have a great trend day ahead, and bye for now.